Hey there! In this tutorial, we'll demonstrate how to use webhook notifications with Cron To Go. Webhooks can be used to programmatically notify your app when certain events happen, in order to monitor what's going on or to trigger other processes. In Cron To Go, a popular use case associated with webhooks involves monitoring successful and failed job executions. To demonstrate the power of webhooks, we'll be using webhook.site, a free online tool that provides easy inspection and testing of incoming HTTP requests. When starting out with webhook.site, a unique URL is assigned to use for our tests. Click here to copy it to the clipboard and we'll soon be pasting it to Cron To Go. Go back to your Cron To Go dashboard and click Webhooks from the top menu. Next, click Add Webhook and a dialog pops up. We'll name our webhook and paste the URL we copied from webhook.site to the endpoint URL. The purpose of the authorization header shown here is to allow us the option to add a custom header to be included in all webhook notifications. It is optional. For the sake of this tutorial, we'll just type in demo. Finally, we'll select all the topics we want to be informed about. We'll choose to be notified when jobs start, fail, or succeed. Click Add Webhook to create this webhook. When the webhook is created, a unique signing secret is assigned to it. It is used to sign the payload to ensure that the receiving party can verify that the received message is authentic. We'll skip this step for now, but check out our documentation to learn more about webhook signing and verification. Now that we've created our webhook, it's time to test it out. The simplest way to test it is to click Actions and then ping webhook. This will send a dummy webhook notification. We'll go back to webhook.site and see that we have just received our very first webhook notification. We can see the authorization header and can also optionally utilize the signature header to check the message for authenticity. The payload body is a JSON object. The event topic shows up as webhook ping, which is the event we triggered. The created at field contains the epoch of time of when the webhook was triggered. The organization ID identifies the Cron To Go add-on instance. Now, let's see what the event looks like when a job starts. We'll go back to the Cron To Go and manually start one of our jobs. Let's go back to the webhook site and check out the new event. The data key in the event payload contains the command, the dyno size, and the timeout, also known as time to live, and when the job was triggered. This allows you to monitor job executions and also use APIs to automatically run a job or to notify your team members via means other than email. One last bit of advice. You can view the webhook delivery history by clicking Actions and then View Deliveries. This lists the recent webhook deliveries, including the payload itself. If a webhook delivery happens to fail, you may manually resend it. That's all for this tutorial. Thanks so much for watching. Check out our other tutorials to see what other cool things you can get done with Cron To Go.